System.io versus WordPress. Which one is better? Hello guys and welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to review which between System.io and WordPress is better. First up is System.io. It's an all-in-one marketing platform designed to simplify your online business setup. System.io offers tools for creating sales funnels, building landing pages, managing email marketing, and even running affiliate programs. Its pricing starts around $27 per month, with higher tiers offering additional features. If you're looking for an integrated solution that handles various aspects of online marketing from one place, System.io is a strong contender. Now let's talk about WordPress. WordPress is a highly flexible content management system that powers a significant portion of the web. It's incredibly versatile, with thousands of themes and plugins available to customize your site. You can use WordPress for everything, from blogging to e-commerce, but it requires more setup and management compared to System.io. Pricing can vary widely depending on hosting and plugin costs, but you can start with a basic setup for around $10 to $20 per month. So which one would you choose? If you want an all-in-one platform that simplifies managing marketing and sales with a clear pricing structure, System.io might be your best bet. However, if you don't need extensive customization, scalability, and flexibility, and don't mind handling a bit more setup, WordPress offers unparalleled versatility and control. Think about your specific needs and preferences before making your choice. Thanks for watching! If this comparison was helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and drop any questions or experiences you've had with these platforms in the comments. See you next time! Bye!